before time, before mankind. There was war in heaven, an angel of light, Lucifer, brilliant, powerful, glorious. But pride entered his heart. He rebelled, and a third of the angels followed him. Heaven shook, light clashed with darkness, and God cast them down, not destroyed, cast down. But here's the mystery. If God is all-powerful, why didn't he simply erase Satan forever? Why allow evil to exist? The answer isn't weakness. It's judgment. Scripture says something strange. Satan isn't free. He's sentenced, waiting, like a prisoner on death row. In Job, he must ask permission. In the Gospels, demons beg Jesus not to torment them before the time. That means there is a set day, a final court, a final sentence. God doesn't rush justice. He completes it, because destroying Satan instantly would end the test of humanity. No choice, no faith, no free will without darkness. Light has no meaning, so evil is allowed for a season, not forever. Revelation reveals the end, the lake of fire, chains, eternal judgment, not escape, not mercy, final destruction. So, the question isn't, why can't God destroy Satan? The real question is, why is God still giving the world time to choose, time to return, time to believe? Because when that day comes, even angels will tremble and evil will exist no more.